Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce you to our innovative tool, the EduVerse, designed to revolutionize the way students engage with educational content. In today's digital age, many students struggle to connect with traditional learning materials, leading to decreased motivation and low academic performance. Our app addresses this challenge by transforming standard presentations into interactive experiences. Using advanced OCR technology, we transform PowerPoint slides into text data and then convert it into vector embeddings, making the content easily searchable and accessible to all learners. But we don't stop there. Our app features real-time AI conversations that allow students to engage in interactive discussions about their lessons, enhancing understanding and retention. Plus, after learning, students can test their knowledge with fun retro-style quizzes that make studying enjoyable. Now, my friend Parth will explain you the architecture of a project.
So our architecture starts with here. So user will upload the PDF, image, PPT, and Excel, and then we are using some sort of Python libraries like PDF to image and easy OCR to extract text from the PDF, and then we are extracting the text. After extracting the text, we are dividing the text into chunks. So let's say the extracted text is I am Parth and I am a student, and then we created two chunks. One is I am Parth and chunk number 2 is I am a student. And now we are creating a vector database, vectorization of that chunks using OpenAI's embedding model. And now let's say we divided this two into two different chunks and we are vectorizing it. So this is the vectorization. Here it's just a symbolic representation of the vectorization. In actual task we used more than 1500 dimensions to convert this text into vectors. So after vectorization part, we store that vectors into iris vector search, and then our first task is done. Now the user will come and ask queries, questions, and the GPT, we use GPT 3.5 Turbo for the question, to handle that questions. GPT 3.5 Turbo will just search the question, answer for the question into iris vector search, and it will get the answers. After that, it will give three kind of answers. One is a summary, one is a question answers, and one is a quizzes. The quizzes will be used in the games, and that's the whole architecture. Now we will get to the screens of the laptop. Okay, so to start the vector search, iris vector search on local machine, we should first clone this whole repository from the InterSystems community, which I have done here. So now we just have to put one command, docker compose up, and it will start running. So initially it will take a lot of time, but now I have done it for multiple times, so it's starting in just few seconds. And to check whether it is working or not, we can just go here and we can click on this link, which can open it in localhost. So the password is demo. Okay, so now it's working. So we integrated this iris vector search with our backend using this LangChain iris library, which can be found here. So let's go further in the backend. So we used fast API, and then we integrated the iris vector search using these things. We created so here we created instance of OpenAI's embedding model as well as the ChatGPT's GPT 3.5 Turbo model. Here we initialize the iris vector. So our first thing starts from here. We are uploading the file, and then we are extracting our text from the file, and then we are creating the chunks. So we are creating a chunk for 1000 characters, and then we are doing a overlap of 200 characters, and then we are converting that chunks into the vectorization, and then we are storing there. And here is our method for the query. So user will give the query and it will get the answer. We formatted the response using this class. So every time whenever user will give the query, it will give the formatted answers in a JSON format, which can be used by the LangChain templates, which we used here, prompt template. And that's it for the backend.
So coming to our UI, this is what our dashboard looks like. It has this courses where users can upload their PPTs. Once it's uploaded, we'll get a summarization of it, which we can download and copy. Now, once our PPT has been uploaded, our bot has the context of this, and we can basically have a conversation on this PPT's content and ask doubts on it. What is sociology?
Sociology is the scientific study of human society and social interactions, focusing on understanding social situations and patterns in society.
And we also have a quiz where we have basically made interactive games based on the context of this PPT, which has dynamic questions, and basically we can play games to progress and learn these topics. So first we'll start with Space Invaders. So here we basically we shoot the correct answers, and based on that our scores increase or decrease, and also our lives change. And here we dash into the correct option. And we also have a quiz where we select the correct answer, and it basically gives us the result based on that, which all of this we use and show the progress in the progress dashboard. So user knows which topic is good in or bad in. And this is how we have made the learning interactive. Thank you.